So hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Terry. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys and gals are all doing well out there. So in this new year, I figured I would open myself up to new opportunities, whether that's personal, business, just whatever might happen to come my way, right? And I figured I would kind of create some of that on my end too. So with that being said, going into the new year, I have made the decision to stream exclusively over on kick.com just to really sort of kind of dive into the culture over on Kick, get to know more of the creators over there, because frankly, a lot of my old Mixer friends went to Kick, and I want to just see what all the hype is about. I really want to just dive in both feet first to just see what's going on over there, And a couple weeks or so ago, I put out a video about the settings that I use inside of OBS Studio here for my Twitch streams, because I think they look pretty dang good for what they are, the limited bit rate and everything that Twitch allows. And I always get compliments saying, hey, Terry, your streams on Twitch look really good. So I figured I would show you guys the settings that I use over on kick.com as well. And by the way, if you want to follow me over on Kick, it's kick.com/oh hey Terry. But with that being said, let's kind of just jump in here, shall we? All right, everybody. Now, it's so weird. I made the announcement over on X that I would love to get my Kick account to affiliate, and so many people showed out and showed so much love. Like, y'all are insane. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Y'all are incredible. But it's kind of funny because this video could be about 10 seconds long. All of these settings you see right here for Kick are the exact same settings that I use over on Twitch. The only difference is that my bit rate is a whopping 500 kilobits per second higher. On Twitch, they allow around 8,000 kilobits per second, but on Kick, they allow 8,500 kilobits per second, because that 500 kilobits per second, maybe it matters. I'm really not too sure, but I have the upload bandwidth to accommodate it. So I just said, screw it, maxed it all out, and everything seems to be going good. And I've noticed that the streams over on Kick, their transcoding is a high quality transcode. So it does look pretty good at this bit rate. And I do stream at 1080p 60. So just to kind of piggyback off my other settings over on Twitch. So yeah, my keyframe interval is still set to 2 seconds. My preset is set to P6. My multipass is 2 passes quarter resolution. Look ahead is turned off, but I do have cycle visual tuning enabled because this is not a high bitrate local recording. So every bit of help you can get making that stream look good with the lower bitrate that these live stream platforms require, that will help. So I do have cycle visual tuning enabled here for Kick. But yeah, other than that though, folks, everything is the exact same as my Twitch stuff. Again, just my bitrate is bumped up an extra 500 kilobits per second. And like I said a second ago, Kick is where I am going to be streaming exclusively for the time being, going into the new year and whatnot. And the thing is, too, is that a lot of people were wondering why I made this decision, because, well, Terry, you talk so much smack about Kick, like you're always, bad-mouthing them on Twitter. Like, why would you make the decision to stream there? Here's the thing, okay? I'm very passionate about the things I'm very passionate about. And, creating content, live streaming, I will always speak my mind on that kind of stuff. But the way I see it, though, is this here, is that I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. That way there, if I stream on the platform and if I have a criticism about the platform, I feel like this will give me a better footing to say, hey, this is what I got to say. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people were getting mad at me. Like a ton of people on Twitter were getting mad at me about, oh, well, you don't even stream on Kick, so why do you care? And it's one of those things where it's like, I might not stream a lot on Kick myself, but I have a ton of friends that move to Kick. And whenever somebody does something stupid, they get associated with that stuff. And I don't want that to bring them down as creators. You know what I mean? So now that I'm there, I feel like I'll actually be able to speak more from a first-hand experience, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? But I truly am looking forward to it. This has actually really got me wanting to stream again. I haven't felt this way about content creation or streaming in general since Mixer. And don't get me wrong, I might be wearing a Twitch shirt. Twitch, I love you guys. I've met so many friends over the last decade of me being on the platform. And obviously, I'm not leaving Twitch. I would never just leave Twitch. But as far as my own streaming goes, Again, kick.com/oh hey Terry, and I hope to see you guys and gals there. But hey, you know, look, if you want to see more content like this here on the channel, do me a huge favor, get this video like, get subscribed, hit that bell icon. I would greatly appreciate it. And as soon as I figure out myself how to really utilize the bot options that we have on Kick, like, you know, Botrix and the other, you know, chat bots that Kick has to offer right now, I'll make tutorials for those too. It's just that until Kick releases their public API, there really isn't a lot these bot makers can do. So we'll just have to wait and see whenever they're going to release the API. They keep promising it, but hopefully it gets put out soon. Hope maybe by this spring, summer. Fingers crossed. But yeah, for real, everybody, thank you so much for all the love and support, and I'll catch you guys and gals next time.